Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And guess what guys, today I have a very special unboxing and this is of this particular device. And as you might have guessed from the pictures that you're seeing on screen, this is a wireless headset. And I want to thank the guys over at Origem for sending over the HS3 free of cost for review. And of course, you can show your love by checking out the full review over the blog at Blog Tech Tips. The links will be on screen as well as in the description. And of course guys, for any future reviews, if you have any products or persons watching and you want to send them over, you can actually find the contact form over the website as well as on our YouTube page. Alright guys, so let's go straight into the review, our unboxing of the Origem HS3. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I have not opened this box up as yet. This is a brand new device sent over by the creators of this product. All right, as you can see here, it's called the HS3 and it says here on the side of the product, it says, hear the soul steering sound from Origem, and it says wireless headphones. And it says here, for those who are interested, exercise is a continuous challenge. Origem HS3 headphones keep you moving with superior sound and real hands-free voice control. So if you have missed that, basically what the product does is it allows for wireless control. It has a voice command feature, meaning you can use voice commands to actually do stuff such as control your device. I'm assuming stuff like play, pause, and so on. Another design feature of this product is that it has this curl tip, and the curl tip will make sure that if you're exercising, this won't fall out of your ears. And of course, these are wireless headphones, which is a great feature. Seeing if you go jogging or go to the gym or so on, you might want a set of headphones just like this to make sure that it's secured in your ears. And check out the HS here. You notice the loop actually goes through and it's designed to fit the curvature of your ears. And of course, I like the red color here, looking quite nice. All right, you can see the Origem logo up here, right here, as well as on the centerpiece right here. On the side of the product there is, it says made in China. Around here again we have some product codes and so on. On the back of the device it runs you through a bunch of features. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to place them on screen. You can pause at any time and check them out. I'm just going to run through quite quickly. It says it provides HDR algorithm for superior sound, rotating ear design, voice recognition, quick charge, IPX5 waterproof, camera shutter, remote control. That's great for taking pictures remotely. And of course it contains HD voice for clear conversations, and that's great for your wireless headset feature. So while you're connected, you can actually talk to persons and so on. There's some warnings down here, and of course it does the lithium-ion battery that's included, and it tells you some safety protocols to adhere to. All right, so once you do that guys, we're just gonna open this up. As you can see here, the seal is still on the product. Alright guys, I've opened it up, and this does involve removing a single seal to the side. And of course, there's this nice little black tab right here at the side. I'm gonna actually go ahead and open this up, and it flips upwards, and there you go. And I must say, nice reveal. You can check out the product right here, and you see the HS3 over here, and it shows you here the Origem logo again, and it gives you a quick start guide right here. And what I like is the presentation, reminiscent of Apple products, and it's always great to see when a company puts effort into the product, the presentation, and the first thing you see after opening up your device. Over here you can check out the it says here what's this, overcome obstacles, free yourself, and you see a person jogging. And as I was saying before, I was actually right in that this is meant for somebody who is active and on the go. So if you're looking for a headset that will work in those situations, this one will help you out quite nicely. Alright, so let's go straight into removing this, and there's a tab right here with a plastic shielding, and just by doing this it will open right up, and you can see the quick start guide. And we remove this. As you see here, it's a unfoldable one, and of course I'm sure it will just run you through the product itself and how to use it. The back section is blank, but there's some information on the inside showing you the product code to connect it to your phone and so on. I'm going to put this aside for right now. And of course I like already the Origem carrying case, and it's a very nice carrying case, a decent size, and that is because of the size of the hooks that will have the product. It feels nice to the hand, And as you can see here, it comes with a charge cable right there, and of course there is this with the extra ear tips right there. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to put this aside, and I'm just going to take out the stars of the show, and you can see them right over here, and they look quite nice. As you can see, looking quite beautiful. They come with this styrofoam housing right here. There is the cable that extends towards the back right here, and I'm just going to check if there's anything else in here. And there is some other documentation here. This is the user manual. There's nothing over here, so I'm going to put this back, and that's it for the main parts of the product. So next, I'm just going to close this up, put these aside, and of course I'll put these front and center. So far guys, the experience has been super nice. Alright guys, so I had to loosen these up a bit. They do come in this reinforced soft kind of styrofoam pack, and you have to actually just kind of ease them out, and they're quite flexible. So let's take this product out and check it out right now. Alright, so first impressions guys, I like the tips right here. They are very flexible, and if you look right here, you notice that this part will actually go on the curvature of your ear. I like the nice chrome red color with the logo. They look quite nice. And of course you notice here there's a screw and a pivoting point, and of course this makes it fits the contour of your ears. So this will be set in the ear, and of course this will fit the loop of your ear itself, making for a perfect fit. Same on this side. And you can check out as well the cable right here. There seems to be some control. Alright, so there's a very nice control unit here. It's shielded, so I'm going to remove this. And of course you can see here it gives you what seems to be volume up and down, and of course there's a pause button or maybe a skip button there in the center. And of course this is wireless, and this is the entire unit right here. I am wondering where we connect to charge. I do not see that. Just I'm wondering where we connect to charge, but based on this it might be somewhere around here. And on the back of this section here, there we go, this is where we actually charge. There's the USB symbol on the rear section. Might be hard to see. There you go. And there's a flip section there, so this might be the battery housing along with that stores the power. Here is the device itself. Now you can check out the section that goes into the ear. It's quite it looks small on this side, but when you look at this side you can actually see the unit here, and I'm hoping that these will produce great sound. And the curvature of this section seems to be that it will fit your ears quite well. So I'll be testing this out in a minute to see how well they perform, and of course I'll be giving you direct feedback on how they sound when connected to my smartphone. And smartphone right over here is the Samsung Galaxy S10. So I'm just going to power these up. I'm not sure if they have any power right now, but we'll find out in a few seconds. Alright guys, so I've powered them on right now. They're connected to my ears, and it's quite easy just by pressing the center button on the main up and down volume, that control unit that had the charge USB cable section. Alright, so it says the Origem Crazy Mix, and I'm just pairing right now. As you can see here, it was that easy. So it is as simple as pressing the middle unit to power up. You heard the audible feedback from the headsets themselves, and as you can see here it says connecting. Simple and easy. I mean, a baby could do this, and that's a nice feature right out of the box. So I give them a plus for that easy connection feature. So as you can see up here guys, it says here you can see it says SmartThings, and it shows it's connected to the device, and it says connected device settings. I could actually go in and unpair the device or mess around, which is quite nice. So now I'm going to play some music to see how well this performs. Alright guys, so I'm going to play some music right now. Alright guys, so we're connected with just one tap, and of course I'm going to test out some of my music right now. Again, I will not play the music on screen because I do not want to cause any issues. And of course right away guys, I can tell you it has very solid and balanced playback. And just now when I was saying play, it actually recognized the play and then actually started to play the music without me touching anything. And of course guys, as I was just saying, it does respond to voice commands even straight out of the box. I mean, I was quite surprised by just saying play or pause. What it did was to actually pause the music or play the music, and I'm sure there are more advanced controls that's built in, but I must say it's quite nice to see a product that's working quite intuitive. For example, even without reading the instructions, so I might just read the instructions to actually get a full feedback as to how the features work in detail. Alright guys, I've taken a small look at the menu. Just pay attention on screen here. As I said, I can't play the music, seeing that this of copyright strikes and so on. Right? But I'll just show you what some of the voice commands. The main ones are play music, pause music. As you can see here, just now you saw the music icon here showing that it will actually do that. So let me try another command. Play music. Next song. And you see that it switch. I could say it again. Next song. Previous song. And guys, I'm very impressed. The voice command is just perfect. It responds instantly without any mistakes. For example, just pay attention. Just notice that it's playing now. I could even get we just go full screen. All right, next music. Next song. Previous song. Pause. Pause. All right, and you can see guys, it's always responding instantly to the voice commands. Play music. All right, pause music. All right, and as I'm showing you guys, the response is just perfect. And considering the price you pay for this product, I can just tell you right away, the sound quality is superb. You do get the tips in the box, and these tips fit perfectly. They fit the curvature of your ears. You can easily go jogging, and of course they'll stay in place. I must say that the guys over at Origem with the HS3 has created quite a solid product. And of course guys, based on my listening feedback, it gives a solid sound. The sound is loud without not being overpowering. It's very smooth, and you can actually enjoy your favorite music just by using this. And one of the best features about the HS3, I would say guys, is the fact that it's so easy to control. I mean, you can just instantly, once you're paired, and the pairing is quite easy, simply give a voice command, play music, and from anywhere at all your music will start playing. Even now, by just saying it, I'm hearing my music, I can say pause music, and of course instantly within seconds the voice command is actually accepted, and it's quite easy to learn once you see the handful of features or the handful of sounds that it's given. And of course guys, I must thank the guys over at Origem again for sending us this product for review, and I'm liking this product so far, and I can highly recommend it. I give this product a full thumbs up and a full blog tech tips endorsement. The guys at Origem have done a great giving us a great product right here, and you'll see it once you actually purchase this product for yourselves. You can check it out over at Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. The link will take you over to our blog where you can actually find the listing for this product. And of course guys, just go ahead and give Origem your full support. You'll be fully satisfied with the product in terms of, and I think its strength is the voice command. That's handy, as not any product will have voice command as being a key feature. It's handy and it fits modern devices. 2, you'll like the fact that it's quite portable. 3, you'll love that it is good for those who exercise, as it can be kept in the ears without falling out. And of course 4, you'll love the overall design and attention to detail that Origem has placed into this product of theirs. Alright guys, so this is being Ricardo Gardner with a great product review of the Origem HS3. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. It's Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time guys. Bye.